I came into my room. I see this. Just ignore this for right this second. This table right there, right here, had a bunch of M&Ms and stuff over here. All the foreign stuff. Joking me. M&M containers everywhere. Gotta reset all this up. Gotta fix this. Just kind of upset right now. I also don't know where the blankets are. My room was clean, but now it's not. Crud. Nuggets. Put a couple there and then just this is not working how it's supposed to. Okay, there we go, and then just set that over there. There's a chance I may have to clean that up. But I have a new laptop. I'm doing another laptop unboxing. On the bed. No, I'm just kidding. Not on the bed. Again, here. No, I'm kidding. It's too small. I'm starting to hurt. Oh, what did I just press? Okay, I didn't press anything. Yeah, I just got this. Okay, so take off my shoes. Oh, shoot. Power cord. Wait, can I see everything properly? Kind of. Yeah, like a higher angle. Like that, maybe? And then, laptop, I think. Oh, this is more stuff. Oh, is there a brick in there? Something in here. It's a bunch of instructions and stuff. There's a bunch of instructions and stuff. No. Laptop. Pretty sure that was supposed to go on it. Hallelujah. No laptop. No laptop. Oh, I just put one of the tripod legs on the computer by accident. It's even better. It's even better holding it for myself and having my own one. It's starting. He's so nice. Some specs, I guess. I don't know. Wait. Looks like some stuff. Oh, can't chew that. Pretty sure that's my address or something. Michael Lee. This is someone else's name. Just gotta put that over there. Just gotta put that over there, then. Man, whatever. Gotta toss that stuff over there. Hello! I was confused about the charger brick. I'll be right back. Has it started up yet? Yay, it has. Got some headphones. I don't think they work. But I found them beside his truck one day. I don't know. Kind of like the last one. Personalize. Look at all this stuff. 10-minute unboxing video, I guess. I don't know. Now. What's this? Oh. Guess I'll just choose that. Didn't even get to set it up. Help me out. Great. Gotta face the camera away for a little while. That's it. Yeah, just look at the ceiling like that. I'm sure everyone's cooked off at this point, so I can just do that. Skype isn't enabled. What? The tablet mode. What? What? It just enabled tablet mode. I just enabled tablet mode. What? I don't understand. Tablet mode just changes everything. What? It doesn't make sense to me. Time to set up the internet. Connect. Okay, look at it. Oh. Did I do the correct thing? Oh, no. Okay. Yes. Okay. Connecting. Okay, connecting stuff. Okay, connected. Okay. Let's try that again. Oh, it's so nice, so nice. May run some tests and stuff, unfortunately. Be using it. Login. I kind of dislike this tripod. Can't show you like this. You'll just go look at me. I just dropped my watch. Dang it. I just dropped my watch. So I messed up enough. Thanks, Office Depot. Tear up the cord and stuff, or whoever made this computer. Thanks. 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 You couldn't have just used this. You just had to take it off. Come on. So lazy. Wait. I think it's supposed to go to the screen or the back. Oh, there's a cool sticker. I just get distracted. And I just almost bumped the table over. That would not have been good. Okay, I need to stop bumping the table. Bumping the tables. And then to me, Zoom sounded too good to be true, and it was. Yeah, it works. Stuff. Okay, so everything works and stuff on here. Good little computer boy. Oh, I can't show that up. Get out of here. That's some info of mine. Computer. Fine. This is mine. This computer is mine. Carbon fiber at the top, I think. No, I'm kidding. Wait, maybe. There's carbon fiber on it. I just love this laptop. It's so nice. It's so nice. Okay, so I hope you got. Let's just keep bumping the laptop. Just like that. Here. Let's get in this video in a mirror, which is also very dirty. Just ignore all that. Hi. What am I even? I'll be back. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I'll gotta go, guys. Bye. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye.